Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we're going to do a Temu haul. I will put my affiliate code right here if you could use that. There will be some links below for coupon codes if you want to be an affiliate. And also all the links to all the items. So let's just get right into this and see what I got this time. Okay, let's get into this. First off, if anybody wants to know, this wig is Brinkley by Chelsea Smith Cosmetics or Chelsea Smith Crowns. This wig I chopped to about here. It was about here, but the ends got a little bit scraggly, so I just chopped the ends off. I chopped her and kind of neatened up the ends, and this is what I got out of that. So I kind of made it shorter. So yeah, if anybody wonders, that's what wig it is. But again, I will leave all the links down below for the Temu stuff. And then again, here's my code. I'll put it back up on the screen. That's my affiliate code. I don't know if you put that in at checkout, if it helps you or not. It might not unless you are a new user, or if you've re-downloaded the app in the last couple of weeks, you can do that and you can get those codes if you just download the app or you've been off the app for I think 14 days. But okay. Some of this is outdoor spring stuff because I think I'm going to do a video once I get all of my spring florals. We will go outside and I'll show you what I'm going to do with my deck this year. Now last year and every other previous year, I've always bought fresh flowers. But I feel like that's getting too expensive for me, and plus it's very high maintenance. So, and I don't really have a green thumb. So I think last year I probably spent $700 or $800 on outdoor annual flowers. This year we're going with Temu. All of my fall flowers are Temu, and I said to myself, we are doing fake flowers, okay? So okay, this came today. Look at this. Look at this package. It's like a big grape leaf. A big Greek grape leaf. Nom, nom, nom. Is it filled with rice and meat? What's going on here? Okay, so anyways, I cut this off. I knew it was florals because it says plastic artificial flowers for something about a number 4. I don't know. But anyway, let's look and see what's in here. It might be I got rose trees, which I think is in this bag too. They're like 4-foot trees, and I'm like, okay, I might put those out front. So not sure what this is. I will put the price up on the screen for whatever this is because I have no idea. It literally was just delivered 2 seconds ago. So we're gonna dig in here. There's a lot of wrapping on this, so I may edit out me unwrapping it. Okay, you guys, so these are rose bushes or short rose trees that I bought. Now, I don't know, I got 1, 2, hold on, let me count these. 1, 2, 3, I got 4 of them in this pink, okay? And then I got 4 of them in a yellow. So here's what they look like. Now, these are supposed to look like a bush of sorts. And you can see it's got the brown. These definitely need zhuzhed, obviously. Oops. This flower came right off of here, so I see a lot of glue spots, but so see right here, it looks kind of like a tree in this area, and then it's got this stake so you can stick it down into the ground. Yeah, there's a lot of glue on here. Definitely will need zhuzhed, like no doubt about that. The flowers are very smushed, but it's not supposed to be like super huge. It's supposed to look like a little bush or a little tree. So, and if I do remember correctly, I believe that these were kind of expensive. So, yeah. But they kind of look kind of cool. They kind of look realistic. But again, I'm going to take my hair dryer or something to them and, kind of get these zhuzhed out. I think I'm going to look into and see if there is such a thing as like a UV resistant like matte spray. Now I know I can buy a matte Mod Podge spray, so I'm thinking if you get some florals from Temu that you feel it just looks too green, it's too shiny, I feel like once you zhuzh it out, take some matte Mod Podge or some kind of matte outdoor spray which they may even have in the paint section. I honestly don't know. I'm just thinking they probably sell this somewhere and spray them so that they kind of dull down. So I don't know. But it definitely looks like a tree situation, and then this will just go in the ground. Or you can put it into a pot or whatever. But I like that it has this like wood kind of look area right here. So that's what the pink ones look like. I don't hate them, but they definitely need some work. And then I got 4 of the yellow, and I think I got more yellow in this box, but I don't know if they're different or not. But I got 4 of these yellow ones too. So let's take a look at the yellow one. It's the same thing, only in yellow. If I can get it out of here. So obviously it's all smushed up, but I like the way that this looks down here. It looks very realistic minus the glue, but you know, from afar, it looks like a tree, right? Or like a little shrub. So yeah, these definitely are going to need zhuzhed. Let me know if you guys want to, you know, go through the whole process of how I'm going to zhuzh these out, and also, you know, where I'm going to put them and how they're going to look. I don't think they look terrible, but again, I just feel like once they're zhuzhed out, it's going to be so much better. There's a lot of glue on them. You know, they're bendable. You can bend them any way you want. So, I don't think they look bad. I don't think they look bad at all. But I feel like once we get them outside and I get some heat on these to, you know, floof them out, they'll look a whole lot better. So, yeah, I got 4 pinks, 4 yellows. And then I got this box that came the other day. I don't know. I know I bought some more, what do I want to say, like more tree plant looking things. So I don't know if this is like the same thing or not. But I will make sure I put the price on the screen for those. Now these say 4-foot trees as well. So I don't know if it's exactly the same or not. Or what. Who knows? All right, let's just dig in here. Okay, these are different. Oh, wow, this is totally different. Totally different. These come in pots, okay? In pots. And these are, holy moly, these are heavy. Oh, my gosh. Oh, this is like one whole tree. It's a whole tree, you guys. Hold on a second. Let me pull the paper out of here. Okay, it's literally a 4-foot artificial camellia tree. So you get the base, you get this part, and then it goes together like this. So it looks like that. It says, please expand the leaves after installation is complete. Okay, so this is like a huge tree. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay, hold on, please. Okay, something is broken here. Something broke. I don't know what that is. What is it? It's not part of this. Look at the base of this. Now this I will definitely change out. I'll put different moss in there, or maybe some stones around it, or maybe I'll just bury it down into a pot. But this is like the tree part. There's like a broken, this is broken. I don't know what this was for. It doesn't, maybe it sat up here. I don't know. I have no idea. But this just goes right on top here, like this. Somehow. Maybe it goes this way. Okay, we'll figure it out eventually. It's very misshapen. I might have to work on that. I'm too afraid to push it. I'm afraid I'll hurt my nails. So and anyway, this slides down onto here. Okay, so this is a whole tree situation. A whole tree situation. This one is huge. I think this will probably go out on the front porch. But you know, you can pull these apart. Hi, I'm back here. You know, you pull them apart. It's like a big tree. It's like a big old tree. And she is 4 foot tall, and she comes with a weighted base. That's really pretty. Again, it needs blown out, you know, zhuzhed out. So we will do that. And then it's like a whole tree. So I gotta figure out how to get this into here. It almost looks like it isn't gonna fit. There it goes. I just had to push harder. So it goes together right here. But then it's got like this tree. But this looks really fake right here. Like this. So we'll do something different there. Or I just may bury it in a pot to there. You know what I mean? So, again, kind of cool. But this all needs zhuzhed and taken care of. So, yeah. And that, I don't know what that broken piece is in there then. I have no idea. Like this... I have no idea what this piece was for. It's not on the directions anywhere. So I have no idea. I have no idea. Which is fine. Obviously, I don't need it. I'm just wondering if it was just holding it in here, potentially, maybe. So, yeah, this is what it looks like, though. Looks like this. 4-foot camellia tree. We will try her out. She will be going outside. So let me know if you guys want to kind of... I have a whole front porch that I usually put... I think this will go out front for sure. And this gets stuff everywhere, so just know it's going to make a mess. There's like little green giblets everywhere. Hopefully the cats don't eat that. But, you know, just so you know, I feel like that's going to be really, really pretty outside. But you just have to... I know at first their florals look really bad, but once you get them zhuzhed out, maybe spray them with some kind of matte spray to tone them down a little bit, I think they really look good. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, I showed you guys these in a haul or two back. They're more of the lashes. Now, when I went to link these before, they were unavailable. So if I can, I'll link something down below that's similar. But I don't know why these became unavailable because they're really nice. Which, that makes me mad. Every time I buy something and I like it, it's really nice. You know? Why do they do that to me? So this one says 14 millimeter lashes. But, you know, they screwed up last time. So let's see what this one says. 16. One says 14, one says 16. Let's see if they actually did it this time. One was 547, one was 527. Oh yeah, these are definitely the 16s. I can tell by looking at them. Here's the 16 millimeter lashes. Very long, very wispy. And I love these because the band is very small. Like you can't even feel the band. So again, these are segment lashes. I did them on my last Get Ready With Me. If you go back a few videos, I always wear the segments. These are 14s and 16s. So I have like 10s, 12s, 14s, and 16s now. So I can do like some different looks. But these are great. But like I said, the last time I went to link them, they were unavailable. So I will really try and find them, guys. Or if you want, try and screenshot this and put it into Temu and see if you can find any of these. Otherwise, I'll try and link something better. But yeah, I don't know. I think there's like 100 in each case, and I love the case too. Like, why do they do that? Why do they always like get rid of stuff when I like it? These look really nice. So we will definitely be trying those out. So love those. Okay, I buy these all the time from Temu. These are $1.94, and you get 200 of these. You can use these for so many different things. And if you can hear Brian upstairs, he's rolling around on his chair in front of his desk. I can hear it. I'm sure you can too. I need to get a microphone like MJ's because you literally can't hear anything on her microphone. Okay. They're like these little plasticky things, but I use them for like bowl covers. I use them to cover bread proofing things. Now these ones are a little on the smaller side, so they would maybe just be like a bowl. So maybe you have some leftovers. They're actually kind of small. I have some ones that are 3 times this size for my bread proofing things, but you got a cereal bowl or a soup bowl that has leftovers, just plop one of these over it. Sometimes I'll even wrap bread up inside of here. So I use these all the time. So I get 200 of them for $1.90, whatever, and I just throw them away. Because, you know, Saran wrap, super expensive, so we don't even bother using that. Okay. This is another one of those bracelet pillows. It was $1.60. I wanted one in this color too. So if you have like maybe a bracelet that you want to have sitting out on your table or something, or maybe you sell jewelry, you can put it on this little, it's a pillow for your bracelet. But yeah, you just put your bracelet or watch across it. This one looks kind of like a burlap kind of color. I got some in black velvet last time. They aren't sewn very well. Let me pull that out a little bit. There we go. That looks a little bit better. So yeah, these are $1.60. I just got this one. The other pack I got like several, so. Okay. Then I got these nails, which I love. These were $2.34, which is a really good price. I wore longer nails today, but I really like the shorter nails through the week. I got these in a size large, which I find it really depends on the nail what works for me. But these are like a really pretty kind of peachy pink cat eye. So I hope the cat eye part comes across. But they're just really pretty, short, short, kind of round or square style. But for $2.34, absolutely, yes, I absolutely love them. And in my Dollar Tree haul, I showed you guys what glue I use. So if you want to know what glue I use, go back to that video. I think it's probably right before this one. And I got like 5 or 6 of my favorite nail glue because I'm having trouble finding it. So those were $2.34. These are the privacy glass screens for your phones. So if you want to cover your phone up and then no one can kind of read it from the side, it's just the screen cover only. It's not like a full wrap. So you get these little wipes on the insides. You'll use those, and then you get 3 of the screen cases. So again, these were $4. That it says down here that it's bubble-free installation. I'll see about that. Round beveled edges, original touch feeling, 9H hardness, scratch resistant, blah, blah, blah. So we will see. I'm going to put one of these on my phone, I think. I don't know. I don't know about using these sometimes, you know. But the reason I like this particular one is if someone's sitting to like the side of you, they can't see your phone. You know what I mean? Like if you turn this, you'll see it gets black. So I like that. That way you have like a little privacy on your phone in case you're like sitting at Starbucks or you're in a restaurant or you're at the airport or whatever. And so yeah, that's these. I might get Brian one too because we have the same phone. So they give you these wipes too. You get 3 sets of wipes, 1 for each thing. And yeah, so we might put that, I might put one of these on later. But I also showed you guys, I had the actual just case, the privacy case. But these are just the glass screen covers, which, you know, I like those. Okay, I got another one of these. We have cats, so I always get cat hair on my clothes. So this was $1.87. I'll probably keep this one in my room where I get dressed for work. And then I had a travel one as well. It's just a lint remover. That's all it is. That's all it does. You just go like this with it, and it removes cat hair or lint or whatever. It's kind of shaped weird. Like I don't understand that, but who cares? $1.87 for that. If you can buy these elsewhere and they're cheaper, let me know. But, you know, I just like to get the cat hair and stuff off my shirts before I go to work. Because I do get some cat hair on me. We have 3 cats, so it happens. $1.87 for that. And then last, but probably certainly not least, what is this? I don't know. It says transparent, $1.27. These might be just glass cleaning things. Who knows? Let me get it out of here. Oh no, what is this? Oh, I know what this is now. This is a keyboard. It's a silicone keyboard cover. And I got a new laptop not too long ago. But you can get this in different colors, but it's literally just a piece of silicone. Look at it. And you put it over your keypads so that if you accidentally spill anything, which I do a lot of, it's literally just a I think this came in like pink, blue, green. I don't know. I got it in the clear transparent one. You can probably see through all of them, you know, a little bit, but yeah. Hopefully it'll work. I feel like I might have to wash this first. I don't know. There's like scratches or something on it. Maybe it's because of the way it was shipped. But either way, I'm just going to run some water over it and clean it anyway. But $1.27, I thought, yeah, I'm going to put that right over my keys on my keyboard so that I make sure that if I'm having a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or whatever, that I don't completely mess up my keyboard. All right, you guys, that was everything in this haul. Again, I will make sure I link everything down below, and I left my code, my Temu code, so if you need that, please use it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!